So hello and as always, welcome to Learning MG. So many of you have been asking me within the symbols of the actual Apple Watch. So essentially, if you press this button and there's a circle around the charging system, it means that it's charging. So right now, as you can see, if you do not see the symbol of the charging mechanism, it just means that it needs to be charged. So if you put it charging, you'll see a circle on top of it. That means essentially that your Apple Watch is being charged. Now, if you are waiting and still you don't see it, let's say, turning on, remember that if you haven't used it in a couple of days or weeks, it will take from half an hour to an hour. So just bear it in mind and have patience, because essentially over time it will actually finally charge. Now remember, to turn it on, you just press the button right here on the lateral and you'll see the icon of the actual Apple Watch. Okay, so as always, if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. Me or anyone from the Learning MG team as shortly as possible. But essentially, just remember that with the charging mechanism on point, essentially it does mean that the circuit is working and that it's actually charging. Okay, so if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. Me or anyone from the Learning MG team as shortly as possible. And as always, thank you very much for watching.